Math 7, Lesson 9.11, Quadrilaterals. Let's look at the different types of quadrilaterals. So first of all, a parallelogram. So this is what a parallelogram looks like. It's a quadrilateral, which means it has four sides, with two pairs of parallel sides. So here's one pair of parallel sides, another pair of parallel sides. And opposite sides and opposite angles are congruent. So that means these two angles are congruent and those two angles are congruent. A rectangle is a parallelogram with four right angles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles. It's a parallelogram because it has opposite sides are parallel. A rhombus is a parallelogram with four congruent sides. So it is the same as it has the opposite angles are equal, and each of its sides are congruent. A square is a parallelogram with four right angles and four congruent sides. So it would be the same as a rhombus, except for all of its angles are equal, and they're all at 90 degrees, and all of its sides are equal. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral, has four sides, with exactly one pair of parallel sides. So here's your parallel sides. It can only have one. That means the other sides cannot be parallel. A kite is a quadrilateral, four sides, with two pairs of adjacent sides that are congruent. That means the sides that are right next to each other are congruent. So these two are congruent, and then those two are congruent. That's what adjacent means, right next to each other.